Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these paper birds. These are the simplest type of bird you can possibly make out of origami. I'm going to make them with post-it notes because then you can see it the best. Right now I have lots and lots of them. How many I have. So you're going to take your piece of paper, I'm going to lay it down flat. You're going to fold it like a diagonal way, like this. Okay, so once you did that, you're going to, okay, so once you got that down, you're going to have it open like this. Then you're going to fold it to make it, take this edge and fold it into the center like this. So you're going to fold it like this, and you're going to do that with both sides. So now you're going to have like a kite, like this. Then you're going to fold these, this corner right here, in like this. So you should do a little something like this, and you should do that with both sides. So now it should look something like this. Now flip it over so it's on this side like this, on its back. Then flip this in like that and crease it real good. So it should be like this. Then you pull out the wings like this. So it should look like this so far. Then fold these wings in and make it flat like that, so it's back to this stage. And then on the side that your wings are not on, this side, you're gonna fold in about an inch and make sure it's centered with the crease that you just made. So it should be like this. Then crease it again the same way, like that. So far it should be like this. Now pinch the bottom of where your neck is, and then with your other thumb take it and pull it up so it should be like this. Now undo it, then make it so that the neck is flat like this. Then take about about 3/4 of a centimeter and fold it in so the head is lined up with the crease like this. Now fold it again like that, then pull up the head. Then you have your bird. So this is what it should turn out like at the end. It's like this. So thank you for watching. I'm going to be putting the ninja star sometime. I'm going to be putting up the ninja star. I have a couple of them made. I just learned how to make them. I also made an epic fail one, just like this. But yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.